welcome back to my channel. It's Lauren. So today's video is super exciting because I'm kind of going to be doing a Vogue beauty secrets type video. I'm just going to be showing you guys my everyday natural makeup look and kind of showing you guys how I do it and giving you some inside secrets. I've really been loving keeping it super natural but trying to make myself look a little bit tanner since I am so pale since it's the winter time. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching and let's get started. So first, I like to start off by putting my hair back because I'm going to be doing my face makeup and I don't want my hair getting in the way, especially because I just washed it. So before anything, I moisturize, but I've already done that. So then I like to take my Smashbox primer. I really do feel like primer helps. It kind of soaks into your pores to make everything really smooth when it's on your face. Next, I like to just take my beauty blender. I have to wet it, and then I just take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I've been using this for years and I absolutely love it. So I just lightly dab this all over my face, super lightly, because I don't like having heavy makeup, especially if I'm going to be wearing it all day. As you can see, it's a little bit dark for me, but I like doing that in the winter just because it makes me look a little bit tanner than I actually am. As you can see, I'm keeping it very natural and trying to let my natural colors still come through. Okay, so after my foundation's all blended in, I like to take my concealer, and I use the Fit Me Maybelline concealer as well, and just kind of do this under my eyes. It's a little bit lighter than the foundation, so I can kind of highlight those areas, and then I like to blend this in with my finger because I feel like it makes it look more natural, and that's the way I like my makeup, as you can tell, because I keep saying that. Okay, so after my concealer is all blended in, I take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm really on a Maybelline kick, I guess, and I just put this all over my face. I like to focus on my T-zone, if anything. Alright, and now it's time to bring some more color back to my face because I'm very one color. So I take my Hoola bronzer. I absolutely love this. It's basically gone, and I just contour with it, and I kind of bring it all over my cheeks to kind of just make myself look a little bit tanner since it is the winter time. I like to put it right here on the top of my forehead, on the sides, and then I bring it down to contour a little bit. And then on top of that, I like to take it and bring it right here below my jawbone to kind of make my foundation blend in with my neck, as well as make my jawbone kind of pop. Once I'm done with bronzer, I take this Tarte blush in Exposed, and I like to rose up my cheeks just a little bit. It kind of makes me look like I've been in the sun when I actually have been in the freezing cold all winter. And then lastly, for my cheeks, I take my Essence highlighter, which I absolutely live by. Love this stuff. I've gotten multiple friends to buy it because I'm so obsessed. It's great because it's literally only $5. And I just put this on my cheekbones to highlight. I love this because it makes me look really dewy. Love the dewy look, especially during winter because my skin is absolutely so dry. So this kind of gives the effect that it's not. Now it's time to do my brows. I always change up my brow pencil, but right now I'm using this Absolute Perfect New York Brow Jet pencil. It's good. It's not great. I actually really like the Maybelline brow pencil. I don't know why I love Maybelline so much. Maybelline, sponsor me, please. But I do like this one, and I like to really make my brows defined winter, summer, all year round because I really feel like it frames your face, makes your eyes pop, makes everything kind of just tie together. I like to brush them up to make it look a little bit more natural and kind of have them kind of go, not everywhere, but just like up. Once I'm done filling them in, I like to just set my eyebrows with this NYX Brow Tinted Gel. I like this one. Every eyebrow gel I use is pretty much the same. I do want to try Anastasia someday. That day will be when I make more money. And for eyes, I like to keep it super natural, so basically what I do is just put my bronzer in my crease, and sometimes I'll put my highlighter on my lid. It's nice because then I don't have to take as much makeup around with me, especially if I'm traveling. I'm just using the same thing on my face as I am on my eyes. So I'm just going to take this fluffy brush. It's by Luxie. It's the number 227 blending if you have it. And I'm just going to take my bronzer and put this in my crease. It adds a little bit of definition but keeps it super subtle and natural. and it just kind of brings out your natural shadows within your eye. Then just using the same brush, I'm going to take my highlighter and just brush it on my lids to make them a little bit lighter. I swear my eyelashes go straight out. If you guys have any tips on how to make them curl without using a curler, please let me know, because I have had this issue for my entire life and it kind of stinks. So for mascara, I've been using two lately. First, I use this CoverGirl Clump Crusher Extension Lashes. This just makes them super long and thin, and then I used the Very Real to kind of give a little bit more volume. I like using them together. They go well together, so that's what I've been doing. Apply it to my top and bottom lashes. It's so funny because I can't talk and do mascara at the same time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. As you can see, this one just gives a little bit more volume and makes my lashes pop even more. Alright, so I'm all done with the look. I usually just end off with some chapstick. If I'm doing something, sometimes I'll put a lip color on, but today I'm just gonna stick with chapstick. And then my favorite part is setting my makeup. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe down below. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.